So in the last lecture, I discussed about the Sophia, that robot. Okay, and for the analysis, we have found that this is also a kind of narrow AI. As per the maximum participants said that this is also a kind of narrow AI. And we also have gone through the three different control systems by which this system, this robot has been designed. Okay, and we have found that timeline editor, sophisticated thread system, and open cork. But it has undergone for a kind of criticism like that. This Facebook director of artificial intelligence, Yan Leishun, also tweeted that Sophia was complete bullshit and slammed the media for giving covers to port 15 AI. So that's all about
Hello,
the
sir.
Sophia. So I come to the next topic. That is,
Hello.
yes.
Sir, attendance to কেনেকে দিম sir?
Don't worry about the attendance. When the times come, I'll tell you. Okay, যেতিয়া আহিব attendance মই কৈ দিম. You don't need to give attendance now because in this case, after 10 minutes, I'll take the attendance. The way of taking the attendance will be different. Okay, that will be automatically generated if you join it. Okay, and now all of you please mute your mic, and 1 and 2 persons or 2 participants from which I need the response, they will unmute and they will give the responses. So can I start now? Okay. So now you have seen that narrow AI. Okay, this is a very important figure. You can take a screenshot of this. Narrow AI is dedicated for one task. Then general AI that performs like human, and then super AI that is more intelligent than human. Right? Are these all three types one? Clear to you or no? Give response.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now I come to type 2 based functionality. Right. In case of type 2, we classify it on the basis of the functionality, means the way it will work. Okay, how each function will be operated. So based on that, the first one we have is reactive machines. Okay, please note it down because this question has been asked in different competitive examinations, including UGC NET also. Okay, I heard some chatting sounds. You may please stop it. Okay, so reactive machines means what? This is the most basic type of artificial intelligence, and they do not store memories or past experiences for future experience. You please note this down, that in case of reactive machines, what we have, that they are not going to store the past experiences. Okay, they work on the current action and reaction basis. Okay, so this system focus on the current scenarios and react on it as per the best possible action needed. Right. So रिएक्टिव मशीन्स का मतलब मैंने क्या बताया अभी आपको, ये ऐसा एआई सिस्टम है जो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस को स्टोर नहीं करता है. राइट. दिस स्टोर only, this is not going to store any of the past experience. This focus only on the current scenarios. जो भी अभी होगा, ठीक है, जो भी रिएक्शन अभी इसको देना है एज पार्ट ऑफ बेस्ट पॉसिबल एक्शन इज कंसर्न, वही वो देगा. जैसे कि मैं एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा, तो IBM's Deep Blue system. Has anybody heard about this IBM Deep Blue system? क्या किसी ने सुना है इसके बारे में?
No, sir.
Okay, so there is an assignment for you. एक असाइनमेंट मैं देना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है. आफ्टर दिस लेक्चर यू विल गेट द रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो एंड देयर यू विल कमेंट ऑल ऑफ यू दैट ये IBM डीप ब्लू सिस्टम क्या है. थोड़ा सा गूगल सर्च करोगे, उसके बाद बताओगे मुझे कि ये IBM डीप ब्लू सिस्टम क्या है और किस वे ये काम करता है. नेक्स्ट I am bringing this example of Google's AlphaGo. Google's AlphaGo एक AI टाइप 2 बेस्ड रिएक्टिव मशीन है. ये AlphaGo जो गेम है, उसके लिए बनाया गया था। अल्फागो एक गेम है, ठीक है, जैसे आप लोग चेस पे प्ले करते हो, द वे यू प्ले चेस, इसी तरह हमारे पास अल्फागो भी एक गेम है। तो सिमिलरली वी हैव गूगल्स अल्फागो। ओके, ये भी कोई पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर बेस नहीं है, जो हो रहा है अभी हो रहा है और अभी के अकॉर्डिंग ये एक्शंस रिएक्शंस दे रहा है। So overall, you have seen that reactive machines are those machines which focus on only on the current scenarios and react on it as per the best possible action is concerned. ठीक है, इसमें किसी को पूछना है कुछ? Okay, let me see some participants. No. See, unknown user is waiting for the. Don't do this. You log in only with your user ID. Otherwise, what would happen? You will not get the attendance, because in this case, the attendance will be automatically generated that I will forward to Rajesh, and then there, what would happen if you don't log in with your ID? Then you can't get the attendance, because the names will maybe same, but ID will be one single unique, right? तो रिएक्टिव मशीन सबको समझ में
सर
आ
अगर
गया?
हम लोग का केयू का सर हम लोग का केयू के ईमेल से अगर हम लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हम लोग का रोल नंबर आ जाता है, आईडी आ जाता है ना?
हाँ, बट फिर भी यहाँ पे देखो, अभी मुझे बहुत दिखा रहा है अननोन यूजर। तो ये कैसे पता लगेगा कि कौन सा यूजर है? ये यहाँ पे जैसे CSMMIT012 जो कि राजेश नाम के एक स्टूडेंट है, ठीक है,
यस
तो
यस सही।
उसका बराबर दिखा रहा है। बाकी सब जो है ना, मैक्सिमम लोगों का यहाँ पे दिखा नहीं रहा है। तो प्लीज लॉग इन विथ योर ID, क्योंकि ये जनरेट होगा ऑटोमेटिकली, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
अब रिएक्टिव मशीन्स जो मैंने अभी पढ़ाया, ये समझ में आ गया सबको?
यस सर।
तो ये क्या है? इट इज प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन द करेंट सिनेरियोस। और
Yes,
सबसे
sir.
पहले, इफ समवन आस्क्स यू that reactive machines falls under type 1 and type 2, then answer should be what?
Type 2.
Type 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. So then I'm coming to the next topic. Okay, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
So next one is the limited memory. Okay, limited memory, from the term it is very clear that yeah, we are storing some experiences, but to a limited extent, ठीक है। Limited memories machines can store the past experiences or some data for a short period of time, ठीक है। These machines can use stored data for a limited period of time for what? For performing the best possible action is concerned. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा आप लोगों को। आप लोगों ने सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार के बारे में सुना होगा, सुना है?
Yes, sir.
So
For example, YMO.
very good. I think Rajesh has attended my talk on the artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay. ठीक है, यही सब क्वेश्चंस इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता है मैक्सिमम, याद रखना, ठीक है। आपको करेंट जो चीज हो रहा है उसके बारे में भी आइडिया होना चाहिए। तो जो ये सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार है, ये किसके बेसिस पे काम करता है? इफ समवन आस्क्स ए क्वेश्चंस लाइक दैट, then what will be the answer for that? थोड़ा सा सोचो, just think for a minute, then you can give the answer. I think I have illustrated in that lecture that how this self-driving works. So driving cars work, like self-driving cars by Waymo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's like Google's
sir.
bicycle. Google bicycle is also there. Okay, that is a self-driving bicycle, right?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे मैंने ये बोला कि जो सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स हैं या तो गूगल्स बाइसाइकिल हैं, ठीक है, सेल्फ ड्राइविंग बाइसाइकिल
Yes, sir.
हैं, ये एक प्रकार का लिमिटेड मेमोरी वाला टाइप 2 मशीन है। ओके, सो ये तो आपने नोट डाउन कर लिया है। अब हमें
Yes,
ये
sir.
चाहिए कि ये क्यों लिमिटेड मेमोरी वाला है, व्हाई दिस इज लिमिटेड मेमोरी, किहर कारण
Sir, because we
कोआ
yes sir.
प्लीज।
सर जैसे सर हम लोग अभी सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार में सोर्स और डेस्टिनेशन उसमें लिखेंगे तो सर वो अपना मेमोरी में रखेगा तभी जाके हम लोग को डेस्टिनेशन में मतलब पहुंचाएगा सर। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज लिमिटेड मेमोरी टाइप 2 बेस्ड।
Very good. Okay, correct. Any more participants? Anyone else? You can unmute and give the answer. See, someone tried to join now but this is Microsoft Team, so please join immediately when the class has started, right? Okay. Otherwise, attendance you might not get the attendance. है ना राजेश? ठीक है। तो अब बताओ
सर
कोई और बताना चाहेंगे इसके ऊपर और कोনোবাই যদি ক'ব বিচৰা যে ये लिमिटेड मेमोरी Waymo self-driving car, how it falls, why, how will you explain this fact? ठीक है, मैं बता देता हूँ अभी। So what happens in case of self-driving car, we need to means that we need to design the car in that way that no accident might occur. Means suppose that car is being driven and what would happen in front of it some other vehicle come. Okay, so what would happen then? Some unfortunate accident might happen, right? Like that. So what what is the idea in that case that you have to implement to stop that type of accident? So in that case, we need to depend on computer vision's object detection technique because it will learn by its experience that yeah, if a car it comes just say suppose 20 meter front of it, then it has to push the brake like that. So this will be done only on the basis of experience. पहले एक बार हुआ, उसके बाद ये नहीं होना चाहिए, उसके बाद ये नहीं होना चाहिए। कैसे पता लगेगा कि 20 मीटर डिस्टेंस में जो नेक्स्ट कार आके सामने आ गई, या तो vehicle, if this is a vehicle it is also okay, if this is a persons or if this is some animals, if it comes then it need to push the brake. तो ये कैसे सीखेंगे? ये एक्सपीरियंस से सीखेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये डिस्टेंस देख लिया और 20 meter this side, 20 meter this side, and accordingly, based on that experience, next time whenever some objects approaches it, okay, and less than 20 meter distance, okay, between that object and that car, then the car will automatically change the direction or it will push the brake. तो ये मेमोरी जो है लिमिटेड मेमोरी है क्योंकि इन्होंने थोड़ा सा समय के लिए सपोज विद इन फॉर 1 minute it has done that particular observation, and within that 1 minute it has taken the action that it need to push the brake. आ गया समझ में? ये लिमिटेड मेमोरी के लिए हो रहा है क्योंकि ये पूरा दिन भर के लिए वो कैलकुलेट नहीं कर रहा है। ठीक है, इस समय में ऐसा हो रहा है, इसमें इस समय पे ये हो रहा है, तो ओनली बेस्ड ऑन दैट इट इज स्टोरिंग दैट पार्टिकुलर थिंग। बट इससे जो एक्सपीरियंस मिला कि जो स्पीड लिमिट था कम था, ब्रेक पुश करना था, तो ये सारे वो अपना जो नॉलेज सिस्टम है, नॉलेज बेस में उसमें स्टोर करेंगे। So that's why these self-driving cars are one of the best example of limited memory system. These cars can store the recent speed of the nearby cars, the distance of the other cars, speed limits, and other information to navigate the road. Now, is this clear to you?
Yes sir.
Clear? Okay. ठीक है. Can you give me one more example from your side of this limited memory type 2 based machines? Okay. So you will think about it after the lecture. You will give the answer through the comment. Just note it down. That is notarial analysis. ठीक है? जो भी मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, after that you will go through it and you'll give the answer. So can
Yes,
I
sir.
move to the next topic?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So now next one is the theory of mind. Okay, next type 2 artificial intelligence based machines is known as theory of mind. The theory of mind artificial intelligence should understand the human emotions, people, beliefs, and be able to interact socially like humans. And this type of AI machines are not still developed, but researchers are making lots of efforts and improvements for developing such AI machines. So overall, this theory of mind type of machines kya hai? This has the ability to understand the human emotions. Okay, and this will interact with you like a normal human being do. जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को टाइप 1 आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बताया था, ठीक है? एक जनरल एआई था. जनरल एआई के पास क्या कैपेबिलिटी था? कैन यू टेल मी? In case of general AI, what is the capability those machines will have?
So general AI machine do like things do like human.
It has the ability or capability of thinking like a human,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
ठीक है. So similarly, if you compare this with this one, then they overall are having the same capability, right? Because theory of mind, इसके पास क्या रहेगा? ह्यूमन इमोशंस को अंडरस्टैंड करने का कैपेबिलिटी रहेगा. द फंक्शनलिटी
Capability,
कैसा
yes, sir.
हो? It how it function? It functions just similarly like a human being do. जैसे आप सोशली इंटरेक्ट करते हो अदर ह्यूमन के साथ, द वे यू इंटरेक्ट विद अदर फ्रेंड्स ऑफ यू और सम एनी पर्सन्स इन द सोसाइटी, द सेम थिंग दिस थियोरी ऑफ माइंड एआई टाइप 2 मशीन्स विल डू. तो ये भी अभी एक क्या है? A kind of what? Research is going on, but it's not still developed. So it may take time to implement this type of machines. I hope in the near future we'll be fortunate enough to see these machines. Right?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो अब हम आते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइप में, दैट इज नॉन एज सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. तो ये सेल्फ थ्योरी ऑफ माइंड सबको समझ में आ गया था, राइट?
Yes, sir.
अब मैं आता हूँ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर is a future of artificial intelligence, and this machine will be super intelligent and will have their own consciousness, sentiments, and self-awareness. So these machines will be smarter than the human mind, and they also does not exist in reality. Of course, अभी तक जब हमारे पास theory of mind ही नहीं है, तो हम कैसे उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि self awareness based type 2 artificial intelligence machine होगा? ये भी एक
Yes, sir.
फ्यूचर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है. ये हमसे कई गुना ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होगा. इसके पास ऑन कॉन्शियसनेस होगा, सेंटिमेंट्स होगा और सेल्फ अवेयरनेस होगा. यू गाइस, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट डू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म सेल्फ अवेयरनेस? क्या आप लोग मुझे बता सकते हो? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट डज इट मीन बाय द सेल्फ अवेयरनेस टर्म? थोड़ा देर सोचो, टेक 1 minute, then you can give the answer. I'm just asking a very simple question. I'm asking you that what is this self-awareness term mean to you?
So self-awareness means, sir, controlling our emotions and feelings.
Controlling our emotions and feelings. Okay. I need more responses from you. তোমালোক সবৰ পৰা response লাগে. Self awareness মানে কি বুজা?
So,
Hello, sir.
self-awareness is a clear understanding of our personality, strength, and weakness.
इससे क्या बताना चाह रहे हो मुझे थोड़ा सा एक बार प्लीज एक्सप्लेन करो. Sorry. Can you explain Gautam once again?
Sir, the human can have a clear understanding of his own personality or sir strength or weakness, sir.
ठीक है, आप सही हैं. Okay. I said that I need more responses. Otherwise, I will call by the roll numbers. Okay. बताओ कोई और भी बताओ इस
Hello, sir.
सेल्फ. हाँ हाँ. क्या?
So, self-awareness is the ability to focus on yourself and how your action, thought, or emotion do or don't align with your internal standards.
Okay, very good. Well, other responses? Victor हैं अभी क्लास में? Victor, Amlan, and Bernali, Vaikasi, all of you, and Sansari, where are you guys? Give response.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Anupama, sir.
Yes, your voice is breaking. Please repeat.
Hello.
Yeah, please repeat.
Sir, self-awareness.
Hello, sir.
Is the
One by one. Please, who is giving the response?
Sir,
Yeah, you please complete it first.
So self-awareness is the awareness of self, of ability to having your own self-awareness, ability of your capabilities.
ठीक है. Okay, right. And then?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, self-awareness means the habit of paying attention to the way we think, feel, and behave more specifically.
Oh, very good answer. Who is that?
Sir, Victor.
Wow, Victor, you got the first means what I can say. Very good answer. Okay. So you may clap for Victor. He's giving the right answer. Okay. Good, Victor. I heard it. Okay. That's enough. So self-awareness means what? Your ability to understand your consciousness or your sentiments to understand the inceptions that is being taken from your surrounding environment. Okay. अगर सरल शब्द में मैं बोलूँगा तो ये क्या है? आपका कॉन्शियसनेस है, आपका सेंटिमेंट्स है, जो इंसेप्शन आपको मिल रहा है आपके एनवायरनमेंट, सराउंडिंग एनवायरनमेंट्स में से, ठीक है? तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या एक्शन लेना है, राइट? तो दैट इज सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. सो ये सेल्फ अवेयरनेस artificial intelligence is a kind of type 2 artificial intelligence, and we can call it as the future of artificial intelligence. So one question may come to your may appear in your exam, that which type of or which particular type to artificial intelligence we can call as the future of artificial intelligence. So answer should be what?
Self-awareness, artificial intelligence.
Okay, don't forget it. This times as I'm explaining, so you can easily answer it. But after means few times, you should not forget about it. Okay, so you should note it down. Now, these are the type 2 based artificial intelligence, and you have seen that this type 2 is classified based on the functionality and how it works. I'm summarizing it again. Reactive machines. Okay, it works only based on the guaranteed scenarios and react on it as per the best possible action is concerned. And at that time I asked you that you need to give the answer through comment after you get the recorded video that what is IBM's Deep Blue system. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन पूरा नोट डाउन कर लो. IBM's Deep Blue system
Yes,
क्या
sir.
है, आप लोग सभी जवाब दोगे. Then I talked about limited memory, and you have seen that here for a limited time period, the machines has the capability to store the data. The machine store the data for a limited time period, and there you have seen the self-driving car is one of the best examples. Then we talked about the theory of mind. Okay, and theory of mind you can consider is a kind of general AI because it has the same capability like a normal human being has. It can feel the emotions, okay, and it can interact with a human being social in the same way that we do in society. Okay, and this type of machines are also still not developed, and researches are going on in this area. And then we have seen the self-awareness, and we have termed it as a future of artificial intelligence, right? तो ये सभी चीज आपको समझ में आ गया, I hope so.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Then, what is the time period of this lecture? This
10:10.
10:10. So I think it's
Yes, sir.
already 10:09. So I'm not going to the
Yes,
new
sir.
topic. So thereby, I'm terminating today's class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I hope
Thank you,
have
sir.
all. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
very much. Have a great day.
सर अटेंडेंस कैसे सर आप देंगे सर फाइल कुछ?
I will give you the file just after this lecture. Okay. I have
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
just let me show you how I'm taking the attendance. Okay, एक बार मैं पीछे दिखा देता हूँ राजेश. ये देखो. Now I come to this, and there you'll see download the attendance list. Have you seen this?
Attendance list. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I have downloaded it, and I'll forward it to you. Okay. But next
Okay,
time
sir.
you should join immediately when the class will be started. So have a great day.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.